How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Click on search button located at top left corner of your screen, which looks like magnifying glass. Click on it and search the location you want to find friends from. I'm searching California. Click on the first link that pops up and then zoom to your map. You will find many circles pop up. Click on the circle. After you click on the circle, you will find people snaps at the bottom. Click on the snap. After you click on snap, you will find their username. Click and then press on add. You will be able to add the person. You can do same with other snaps as well. This is how to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.